In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a super simple kiwi trimmer fruit smoothie that will increase your energy levels, fire up your metabolism, and detox your body of various and harmful toxins so that you can get on with your day while also providing excellent nutritional values to aid in weight loss and improve your immune system. I will explain the benefits of having this smoothie as part of a regular diet, at least 1 to 2 times per week, and how easy it is to prepare all in under 5 minutes. This healthy and filling meal consists of only 3 simple ingredients that can easily be accessible in your home or found in your local grocery store. And these ingredients are 1 cup of chopped pineapple, 3 full kiwis, and just a glass of water. Once you have all the contents gathered, place them in a blender and mix until you have a consistent texture. This simple and healthy drink not only helps to boost the immune system, but it also helps to detox the body to fight off infections, help trim down the tummy, to help lose stubborn belly fat while also improving digestion and control your appetite. This is a simple meal that won't take long to prepare, and you will be pleasantly surprised with how good it will taste. That will get your day off to a great start, satisfy your appetite, and leaving you feeling fully energised. If you are finding the content in these videos to be useful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell to be made aware of future content, and as always, thanks for watching.